Welcome back, fellow diecast collectors. I've got some new Hot Wheels to show you. I've come across the new Zamac cars, and I was able to get a hold of one of the new Batmobile ID chase cars. So we'll take a look at that. So this is going to be kind of a short video. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start out by looking at the Dodge Power Wagon. This is the Zamac Walmart exclusive. It's number 10 out of the 18 that they're going to have for the year. It is number 152 in the mainline. It looks pretty good. Let's look at the regular mainline version. Here it is in blue with white panels on the sides and some blue stripes. Blue Dodge, gray hubs, smoke windows. This is the first time that it's been in the mainline. It's got a plastic base. First time for a plastic base. It's usually got a metal base, and it's a more premium casting. But now we've got it in the mainline, which I think is pretty cool. So now we've got a Zamac version, and we're going to open it up. I like this with the yellow hubs and the yellow windows. Still has the white panel on the side, but this time it's got the black stripes instead of the blue. Yellow hubs on the wheels, yellow window piece, yellow fog lights on the top, and a black plastic base. And it looks pretty good for this Walmart Dodge Power Wagon Zamac. Next up is going to be the 92 Ford Mustang. This is number 90 in the main line. This is the Zamac version. It is number 11. First, we're going to look at the first version that came out in the main line in orange, part of the Art Cars series. It's got these arrow wheels in blue, black plastic base, blue windows, and then it also came out as a second recolor in this kind of matte khaki color with brown and blue stripes, orange stripes, red wheels, still the arrow wheels, and this is kind of in a matte finish, and it looks pretty good. I like it. And now we have it in a Zamac, number 11 of 18 for 2020. We'll open this one up. And the Zamac version has kind of a green-brown color scheme on top of the unpainted metal body. Everything else looks pretty much similar. Olive-colored wheels, still the arrow wheels, but it looks pretty good for the second Walmart Zamac we're going to look at today. The third one that we're going to look at is the Custom 71 El Camino. It is number 40 in the main line. The first version that came out this year was in a dark metallic gray with some black and gray flames. You can see the turbines in the back. It's got some steely wheels, chrome plastic base, and it looks pretty good. This casting hasn't been out too many times. It was out in the satin and gold for the 51st anniversary, and then some Toy Fair models. The second version this year was in a metallic red with some gold and black flames. You can see that the turbines in the back are made up of the interior and the window piece. Still has the steelies on it, gold lips. And now we've got number 12 Zamac. Let's open it up. And the unpainted body on this one looks really good with the black and red flames. This does not have the steely wheels. It has red window glass and MC5 wheels with a red lip. Red and black flames look really good on this Zamac body. and this is probably the best version that we've had this year, and this is a really good casting for them to make as a Zamac. The Batmobile was a Hot Wheels ID Chase, number 6 out of 8 that they were going to do this year. It was also in the Mainline. So if you find it with this white card instead of the blue card, like this, then you found the Hot Wheels ID Chase. So here it is. It is number 197 out of 250 in the Mainline. The TV series Batmobile from 1966. The regular version is a glossy black. It has some red detailing, the red Batmobile symbol, and then some gray stripes and accents on the hood and sides. Red interior, clear plastic windows, and these great 5-slot mags that we've seen only in the Cool Classic series from a few years ago. So it's nice that they're using these on some mainline cars. So the ID Chase, it's going to have a white card. It's from the L case. Has the same details. It just has the ID chip in the bottom. I already have one loose. The person I bought these from gave me a carded one and a loose one. So you can see everything's the same except the gloss paint is now Spectraflame black. Still has the same 5-slot mags from the Cool Classic series, but it's got a clear plastic base. So you can see the Hot Wheels ID RFID chip. So that way you can load it into your app on your cellular device or your tablet. So you can play this in the virtual Hot Wheels ID game. And here they are together. We're going to start with the Custom 71 El Camino. It is number 40, the Zamac, and it's going to go right there. Next is going to be the 92 Ford Mustang Zamac. It is number 90. The Dodge Power Wagon in Zamac is number 152. And the Hot Wheels ID Batmobile from the TV series is number 197. I hope you like these videos. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and leave a comment. Which one is your favorite Zamac from this series? We'll see you next time.